Hey, good morning. It's Mike Austin here. Another edition of Mike TV. A little behind the scenes for you this morning. You know, there's been a crazy sort of phenomenon going on in the Janesville area lately. People are hearing a noise, a buzz, some sort of something, and I think I've discovered exactly what it is. Look, we're at the men's room here on the second floor of the Bliss Communications Tower. Can you hear it? You hear that? You hear that? I don't know what's going on. Stan?
Yeah?
What are you doing?
Just getting the instrument ready, man.
You're humming out the window?
Well, yeah, that's how I get ready every morning. Sometimes at night.
Another mystery explained. The strange noises coming from Stan. Mike TV.